Good evening, everyone. My name is Imran Sutar. I'm from Web Development 2401C batch, and this is my Capstone project for design and analysis algorithm, module 2. And today I'm going to explain some of the problems that I have solved during the second module, Capstone project. So, first problem I would like to explain is the mid and to make valid. They give us the solution, but we have to correct a little bit that the solution is a little bit false. So we have to figure it out that what is the problem with this code. As here we can see, the problem is to make the string valid. The string becomes valid only if there is a uh, same number of and close the parenthesis. For that, they give us the code where we have to check first uh, if the current element is open bracket, then we have to just increment the open. If the current element is close to parenthesis, then we just have to reduce the open so that we can make the valid string. But here the problem is in else if condition and else condition. If the open that means the open is not equal to 0, then we just have to decrement the open. And in the else part, there should be a close minus minus. So close plus plus. So here we are correcting it by else if open. If open is not is equal to 0, then we just decrement the open, and in else condition we are incrementing the close, and after that just directing the addition of open and close give us the how many steps should require to make the string a value. So that is the first problem. The second problem I would like to introduce, I would like to explain the palindrome. So they have given the solution and told us to solve the same problem with using the two pointer technique. So for that, we use the two pointer technique. Okay. The question is they are given one number instead of string. They given the number, and we just have to is it palindrome or not. So for that, we are first of all making the numbers into string by using the dot to string inbuilt method. So we are just making them string and put the two pointer that is fs and est. Fs goes from first to mid, and est goes from end to mid. And we use the while loop for checking if the fs and est element are same or not. If they are same, then we are incrementing fs and decrementing est. If this condition does not satisfy, then we return false. That is the given number is not a palindrome, and let's suppose if the while condition is fully completed, then we can say that the number is palindrome and we are returning the true. So that is the second problem. The third problem I would like to explain is the that is the max count. Okay. The problem says that they given us the one array which contains the positive and negative integer, by which we have to calculate the how many positive integers are there and how many negative integers are there, and we have to return the maximum number. That is, if there is a maximum positive number, then we have to return a positive number, count a positive number, and if there is a maximum negative number, then we have to return the count of negative number. For that, we took two variables, positive and negative, and we use the for loop for iterating to each element of the array, and we put if else condition that if the element is less than 0, then we are incrementing negative, and if the number is greater than 0, then we are incrementing the positive. And finally, we are returning the which is the map among the positive and negative by using map.map implementer. So, as in this way, we get the maximum count of positive or negative integer. In the next problem, I would like to estimate the duplicate case. So, in that type of problem, we use two approaches, that is traditional approach and optimized approach, and we have to compare uh, what is the difference and which will be better. So, to checking the uh, uh, to checking the which is the which is the what is the difference here. So we just analyze both the code. So in first code, we are using the temp variable and checking if there is already uh, there is already element present in the temp or not by using the dot index of method. If this is undefined, then we are adding into this thing. In that way, we will get the number which is fully all the unique character. And from optimizer method, we are just using the state. So as we know, the state can't allow the duplicate element, and we have took another variable to spread the array, and we are returning by joining it. So after comparing both the solutions, we are concluded that the time complexity of the traditional approach is big of n square, little about near about n log n, because we are using the for loop, and inside that we are using the dot index of method which have time complexity of n log n. So at the end, the time complexity would be near about the big of n square, and the space complexity is the big of n only, because we are putting near about all the elements of the same two variables. And in the optimized solution, there is only uh, dot join and new method, which is time complexity of near about big of n, because we are not iterating through each and every element or not using the loop. So the time complexity of the optimized solution is the big of n, and space complexity would be the big of n only, because we are using the t variable to store all the elements using the spread of the array and returning it. So from both the solution, the space complexity is the big of n for both, but the time complexity for the optimized solution is the big of n. So that is the first problem. And the last problem I would like to see is the um, flip and identity. In this application, they are given the 2D array, and by which we have to first of all making the reverse of the all the sub array, and then we have to see if the element is 1, then we have to make it 0. If the element is 0, then we have to make it 1. So we have to write the code for both words and this. So for those and 1. So in that case, the time complexity would be the near about big of n square. But here, in, here in the base case, there is we are using the two pointer technique, where we took a and b variable which come from start and end to the middle, and we are just swapping a with the b to make the string reverse, and this will go till the mid only, so that the time complexity would be the little bit from big of n to cube of n minus 2, that is, we can say log n. And at the end, we are using another loop for swapping the elements. So here also we are using the same method as we did above. We are just taking it the element is 0, then we are making it 1, and if the element is 1, then we are converting it into 0. So from both the solution, the best case is a little bit optimized because it took time complexity lesser than the worst case. So that's all the problem that I have solved during the second model Capstone project, and that's it from my side. Thank you.